All right, so today we're running into a beautiful day, and it's a good day to come out and play. But when there's no internet, what can you do? Well, options are you get a 4G card, you get the game anywhere. All right, so we have a 4G card here. We're going to connect to our laptop right now. You could do it with wire if you want, or wirelessly. It does have an IME number that you could transfer to your local provider. So you could actually, if you have T-Mobile or Verizon or other systems, you could actually use it to do that. All right, let's turn it on and take a look at it. We're going to be gaming out here for a bit, maybe so you guys can see the speeds of it. It's not that bad. It's still going to lag a little bit depending on your area. Just be aware that you have this antenna, and wherever you get a good signal 4G, you're going to get a good signal of the actual card.
Recharging my shields. Enemy shield.
Playing outdoors is another experience with this. Streaming at the same time, recording and chatting. You could do everything with. As long as you got a great service, you'll get great connections. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.